day to you all. Hapon na tayo nakapag-start ng ating vlog because I really did not plan to vlog today. Today is Sunday, by the way. It is raining and dugdug and yung thunder was so like ang ingay talaga. Tapos ayun, and then ayoko sanang umalis kasi yun nga I'm tired. But sabi ni Rocky convinced me kasi may bibilhin din sa Rocky. Punta daw kami ng Toki Premium Outlet. Dito na kayo sa baba. Punta daw kami ng Toki Premium Outlet kasi maghahanapin ako ng sapatos para sa aking work. Sure na ba ako? Magsa-start ako sa work, bro.
Malawa ka na ito.
Kasi kailangan ko ng white na shoes para sa work, and yun, kailangan ko. And then I also need rubber shoes para papuntang work kasi bawal yung magsuot ng mga Crocs papuntang work. Gusto ko sanang mag Crocs lang kasi madali lang isuot, ayan. But bawal daw yung mga chanelas kaya dapat daw naka rubber shoes talaga. So we will be looking for yung rubber shoes na yung slip-on lang. Ayoko nung yung may mga shoelace kasi mahirap yun kasi magpapalit ng sapatos, diba? So kaya pupunta kami ng outlet and medyo maaga pa. It is like mga almost 3 pa lang ng hapon. So thankfully tumigil na yung ulan kaya maganda na magpunta ng outlet. Ayun, so I'm gonna see you there sa outlet. Okay? Coffee break. Uminom pa ako ng coffee kanina. Yeah, I think uminom ako ng hot coffee. Pero ang sarap nito, Sangria. Cafe. Olat. Ano pa? Olat. Lait. Cafe Olat. Bro, what is that bunga, bro? Akala ko eggplant, pero I don't know. That was such a weird plant. Ayan, hindi naman siya eggplant. Parang eggplant sa malayo na may seed something. Can you guess what is this? Mingaw na diri. Dito kay Samo Kustanan. I did not like it. Mugo na. So, we just went into Adidas but masyadong crowded doon, guys. Kaya pupunta tayo sa Nike because I did not like what they're having there. So, ayan. Medyo maraming tao ngayon and I don't like the super crowd in here. Wala nang Forever 21. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila naglipat ng Forever 21. Getting inside Nike now. Ayan. Doing the testing. Baga-baga din siya face. How was it? How was the taste, bro?
I don't know.
So we're here at the store and ayan na naman siya. Can you give me one, uy? Lami.
Tartar sauce.
Huh? What is tartar sauce? Oh, you make buha me. We are going to eat from the sample. Dito dyan sa kumaman na. Uy, gamay lang. Uy, ew. The would-be iwis. They're so weird. Is this a boy or a girl? Yay!
すごいなこれ。
Boy or girl? Boy or girl? Boy? Oh, good boy! Good boy! Oh!
Lisa.
Oh, neat mother, Lisa. Oh! Wow! Boy. Boy. Fitting my shoes, guys. This is mine. We are here sa Skechers. Ayan. So I think I'm getting this one. Okay lang, 'di ba? Oh, ayan. Isa. Suot natin yung isang paa. So I think I'm gonna get this one with okay lang. Na, 'di ba? Looks good. Ayan. Oh. We're here at Skechers. I think I got mine. Ito na yung sa akin. It's si Ruki is still, yeah, mine is okay. Ruki is still fitting because we need shoes for work. Yan. Tapos medyo okay lang, ha? Medyo mura lang. Lang dito din. Yeah, okay lang. So we just got out from Skechers and I'm so happy kasi finally nakabili kami ng sapatos. Mas mura doon compare sa sa Nike, tapos hindi pa crowded and anong tawag niyan? Mas maraming gusto kong design. Yung hinahanap ko kasi is yung slip-on na shoes para mabilis na siya gamitin. So we are heading inside Gap, guys. Inside Gap. Yeah, but I don't have any plans on buying something, bro. So we're done there sa Gap and it's time to eat ice cream. So there is Baskin and Robbins. Ayan, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakain ng Baskin and Robbins. Naghintay ako sa SMC side pero hindi nangyari, no? So here is my ice cream from Baskin. So the flavor that I got is the mocha almond fudge as usual. Tapos chocolate mint. Ayan. Wow. Ang init pero ang lamig doon sa loob, no? Diba? So we are on our way home. Uwi na kami kasi anong oras na? Is it like 6 o'clock already? So yeah, we're heading home, guys. And so I am just chilling here. Waiting for Ruki kasi hindi talaga nagmi-miss na mag-toilet si Ruki, guys. So, just having my ice cream. Tapos natulog. Mag-ano muna tayo, guys. Bawal yung camera. Nandito kami sa Genki desu ka. Mag-buy tayo ng ating needs. Guys, we are home. Wow, ang bilin. You cannot see me. But, I'm gonna iron Ruki's uniform muna. Ayan. So, mo man no, nilabhan man ning imuhang kuan gibitay diri, no? Yan, ito yung uniform ni Ruki and also his this is our closet, by the way. Ito yung polo din niya. May uniform. Ayan. Diba? May sampayan dito. This room is like a work closet. Ayan. So, muna, guys. I'm going to iron this and yeah. Kasi anong oras na ba? I think it's already 7. Huh? No, it's already 6. Ayan. 6 na pala ng hapon. So, I think yung kulang ko na lang na bilhin is my white shoes for work. yun na lang. Kasi nakabili na ako ng other shoes. Kasi kailangan ko ng 2 rubber shoes. And then, I also bought 3 pairs of socks din. So, yung white shoes na lang talaga yung kulang. Tsaka, hindi ko alam kung ano, yung parang, ang tawag niyan, leggings. Yan, maghahanap pa ako ng leggings. And I forgot na to, ano pala, keep this away. Ayan, ito yung socks na nabili ko. Tapos, ito lang naman yung binila namin kasi nakabili na kami ng ibang kailangan namin. Sabong panglaba. Ayan, Ariel. And then, fabric softener, bleach, and then, sa wakas, nakabili na din ako ng aking hairspray. Super keep. VO5, and then, conditioner. Ang liit na ng ano. Hanap ako ng hanap dito, guys, kasi ang ano, wala na siyang masyadong ganito. Ito yung favorite na brand ng shampoo and conditioner na ginagamit ko. Mabango siya. And then, this one is like moist treatment. Yan. Yung ibig sabihin ng treatment dito is conditioner siya, guys. So, eto. Hindi ko makita yung shampoo, but meron pa naman akong shampoo from, Head and Shoulders. So, buti na lang nakita ko to. Kasi I need a conditioner. Ayan. So, eto lang yung binili namin. Hi, guys. It's madilim na. So, guys, I think I need to say goodnight now. Hindi na ako makapag, vlog kasi, anong tawag yan? Na-busy ako, nagplansya pa ako ng uniform ni Rookie, and then, naglaba pa ako. So, ayun. It is like almost 8 p.m. na. Tapos, we need to prepare kasi bukas, na naman, tawag yan, Monday, tapos may work si Rookie. Tsaka ako din may part-time. So, yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep it smile. And I will see you in my next video. Good night.